Digital Marketing Crash Course, Conversion Rate Optimization, CRO. Introduction. In the realm of digital marketing, achieving high website traffic is only the first step. To truly maximize the value of your online presence, it is crucial to focus on conversion rate optimization, CRO. CRO involves systematically improving your website or landing page to increase the percentage of visitors who take the desired action, whether it's making a purchase, filling out a form, or subscribing to a newsletter. In this crash course, we will explore the concept of CRO, share interesting stories and examples, list and describe the top 12 CRO techniques, and conclude with a poem and song to inspire your CRO journey. Part 1. The power of conversion rate optimization. Conversion rate optimization plays a vital role in turning website visitors into valuable customers. Let's delve into some interesting stories and examples that highlight the power of CRO. Amazon's one-click purchase. Amazon revolutionized online shopping with its one-click purchase feature. By eliminating unnecessary steps in the buying process, Amazon significantly increased conversion rates and streamlined the customer experience. Dropbox's simplified sign-up process. Dropbox experienced substantial growth by simplifying its sign-up process. Initially, users had to enter their information and verify their email before accessing the service. By eliminating these barriers and allowing users to start using Dropbox immediately, they achieved higher sign-up rates and improved user satisfaction. Barack Obama's presidential campaign. During Barack Obama's presidential campaigns, his team focused heavily on CRO. By conducting A/B tests on their donation pages, optimizing form fields, and implementing persuasive design elements, they successfully increased donations and engagement from their website visitors. These stories demonstrate the power of CRO in optimizing user experiences, reducing friction, and ultimately driving conversions. Part 2. Top 12 Conversion Rate Optimization Techniques. To effectively optimize conversion rates, it is essential to employ proven techniques that align with your specific goals and target audience. Let's explore the top 12 CRO techniques. 1. A/B testing. Conduct A/B tests to compare two versions of a web page or element and determine which one performs better in terms of conversions. This technique helps identify the most effective design, layout, copy, or call to action. 2. User testing. Gather qualitative feedback by observing users navigating through your website or landing page. User testing provides valuable insights into user behavior, pain points, and areas for improvement. 3. Heat maps and click tracking. Utilize heat maps and click tracking tools to understand how users interact with your website. These visual representations highlight the areas where users spend the most time and the elements they engage with. 4. Conversion funnel analysis. Analyze your conversion funnel to identify potential drop-off points and areas where visitors abandon the process. Optimizing each stage of the funnel can lead to significant improvements in overall conversion rates. 5. Clear call to action, CTA. Ensure your CTAs are clear, compelling, and strategically placed. Use actionable language, contrasting colors, and persuasive design to guide users toward the desired action. 6. Simplified forms. Streamline your forms by reducing the number of fields and eliminating unnecessary steps. Asking for only essential information can increase completion rates and minimize user frustration. 7. Social proof and testimonials. Incorporate social proof elements such as customer testimonials, reviews, and case studies to build trust and credibility. Positive social proof can alleviate concerns and encourage conversions. 8. Visual enhancements. Optimize the visual aspects of your website, including high-quality images, videos, and graphics. Visual enhancements can captivate visitors, convey key messages, and create a positive impression. 9. Personalization and dynamic content. Tailor the user experience based on individual preferences and behaviors. Implement dynamic content that adapts to each user's needs, delivering relevant messages and recommendations. 10. Mobile optimization. Given the increasing use of mobile devices, ensure your website is optimized for mobile users. Responsive design, fast loading times, and mobile-friendly navigation are crucial for maximizing conversions. 11. Exit intent pop-ups. Utilize exit intent pop-ups to engage visitors who are about to leave your website. Offer special promotions, discounts, or additional information to entice them to stay and convert. 12. Customer support and live chat. Provide excellent customer support through live chat or chatbot functionalities. Instant assistance can address user concerns, clarify doubts, and increase confidence in making a purchase. Part 3. Summarizing the key takeaways. Conversion rate optimization is a continuous process that requires data-driven analysis, experimentation, and refinement. By implementing the top 12 CRO techniques and constantly monitoring performance, businesses can unlock the full potential of their digital marketing efforts. Remember to prioritize user experience, remove friction points, and tailor your strategies to match the preferences and behaviors of your target audience. Poem. In the realm of digital, where websites dwell, conversion rate optimization, a story to tell. From Amazon's one-click to Obama's campaign, CRO's power, businesses acclaim. Simplifying sign-ups, reducing the fuss, Dropbox's success, a lesson for us. A/B testing, comparing versions anew, discovering the elements that make users pursue. User testing reveals behaviors unseen, heat maps and click tracking, a visual dream. Analyzing funnels, where conversions pause, optimizing each stage, applause. Clear CTAs, guiding the way, compelling language, colors that sway. Forms simplified, a seamless flow, completing them fast, in one swift blow. Social proofs impact, testimonials grand, building trust, a convincing hand. Visual enhancements, captivating the eye, images and videos that amplify. Personalization, tailored for all, dynamic content, answering the call. Mobile optimization, a must in this age, responsive design, a digital stage. Exit intent pop-ups, a last-ditch plea, special offers, tempting users to see. Customer support, live chat at hand, addressing concerns, a support band. So, embrace CRO, a journey of delight, unlock conversions, with strategies bright. Constantly refine, experiment, and test, CRO's power, in you, invest. Song. Verse 1. In the digital realm, where conversions reside, CRO's the secret, let's take it in stride. From A/B testing to user testing's grace, optimizing experiences, winning the race. Chorus. Conversion rate optimization, a path we tread, unlocking potential, our website's thread. With heat maps and click tracking, we find our way, enhancing visuals, making hearts sway. Verse 2. Clear CTAs, leading users on, simplified forms, completion rates gone. Social proofs power, testimonials high, mobile optimization, never saying goodbye. Bridge. Exit intent pop-ups, a final plea, personalization's touch, making users see. With customer support in sight, CRO techniques guiding us through the night. Chorus. Conversion rate optimization, our digital guide, transforming visitors into customers worldwide. With constant refinement, we'll reach new heights, harnessing the power of CRO, our future shines bright. Verse 3. Analyzing funnels, where conversions may wane, revitalizing strategies, removing every chain. Dynamic content speaks to users' hearts, making their journey a work of art. Chorus. Conversion rate optimization, our compass true, navigating the digital landscape, for me and you. With data-driven insights, we'll never falter, CRO techniques, our business's strong foundation altar. Bridge. So, let us embark on this CRO quest, optimizing our websites, for the very best. With top-notch experiences, we'll capture the crowd, conversion rate optimization, our voices loud. Chorus. Conversion rate optimization, a symphony of growth, converting visitors into loyal customers, we both oath. With every technique employed, we'll strive to achieve CRO success as we thrive. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.